Hey buddies, welcome back to the next session. We will learn tissue move in this session. It is important basic craft fair move. This kind of moves make the guest wow. You need to practice 1 hour to make this move perfect and confident. We can perform this move in many variations. Equipment should be readily available and make sure it should not be wet while using. Now I am going to show move. Move looks like this. When we arranging the tissue in tissue caddy, make sure tissue open area should be upside like this, and take tissue, roll and place. Now I am going to show this move clearly. We need to pick up tissue from tissue caddy and grab tissue open area with these two fingers, thumb and middle finger, and take support here open area, spin, take land on the knuckle present on the counter. Based on this move, I will show variations. Spin, shift and place. Spin, exchange behind the neck and place. Now I am performing this move with coasters. Cheers.